Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed our little overview of how we did Chastiefol here. I know there's not a lot of content in there. We are going to try and get more of that. We're getting in the groove of trying to record everything, and we weren't thinking about doing a video on this guy back when I built him like a few weeks ago. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see the whole process of how we designed this guy from the top to the bottom, go ahead and check out the Let's Design series. That'll be down in the description down below. Without further ado, this is Chastiefol, and I just love this prop. I saw it in 7 Deadly Sins. If you're not familiar, this is King's Spear, and it's just really cool. It's magical. It floats around. He rides on it, and it turns into a pillow. What more would you want in a spear? But I really enjoy this one. It's just big. Big, so big. But that's awesome. We like doing big stuff around here. If you're interested in doing your own, you can go check out our website where you can find this file along with a bunch of other ones up in our shop where you can download this and build it your own. And I hope that if you do, you'll send me a picture so that I can see it. And someday we might do a little bit of a community-based thing where we show everybody stuff off. But I just really like to see what people do with the files that I make. And if you want to see what we do every week, how we make this stuff and how the sauce is made, so to speak, I do stream this stuff live on Twitch 3 days a week. So if you want to stop by there at twitch.tv/CorSec props, you can come in, hang out with me. If you got questions about Fusion 360, if you want to do your own design work and you just have to figure out where to start, come on, stop by, watch me, and watch how I do things, and generally don't do what I do. But I usually explain, hey, this is bad, don't do this, and then it usually bites me in the butt later on, and then I'll go, see, that's why you don't do it this way. So it's learning for everyone. But I hope you enjoy, this kind of video stuff. So if you want to see more prop builds like this, and we're going to try and capture quite a bit more data next time, and get more video of the various sanding processes and assembling processes and all of that. So we're going to try and do that and make them better as we keep going. But hopefully you'll stick around. And if you want to see those, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let us know in the comments what you're going to want to see us build, because I'm going to run out of ideas here pretty quick. So we've got to just keep doing cool stuff. We got a lot on our plate, quite a few projects, quite a few just big projects I want to do, and we'll just kind of find whatever we can do. So without further ado, I hope you enjoyed this. Go ahead and check out our website. We're going to do a full write-up on this and go into a little more detail about the little processes we use. And while you're there, you can check out our store. You can check out all of that stuff, see what other files we have up there and all of our other products. So stick around here for props. Go to Twitch to watch me design stuff, and check out the website for tutorials and all that jazz and that stuff we try to do to keep the lights on. So thank you all very much for sticking around for this video. I hope you had fun. Now, go make something cool.